In this video, you will see how to change the font size in Google Sheets. Once you're in your Google Sheets file, select the cells you want to change the font size for. This time, I'm going to select the cells of the labels. I selected it because I'm going to change its font size. At the upper middle part of the screen, click this font size. And here you will see the different sizes you can choose from. Let's try to change it to size 14. Now you see that it went larger from size 10. Let's try to apply the same size to all the labels as well by selecting the cells. And there you go. It went larger. Let's try to change the font size one more time. To the other cells this time. Let's try to change this into 12. And you see the changes. And that's how you change the font size in Google Sheets. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to hit the thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more bite-sized tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.